So if I were to go around and select out this image, then you can see a preview of this particular image right here. So now when you see the preview, you can actually go ahead and set out preview options as well. For example, there's the preview size. So you can go for embedded, which loads up faster, but what happens is that it compromises the quality. But you can go for monitor size as well. So that actually goes ahead and then utilizes it for higher DPI monitors so that you get crisp, clear previews right here. You don't see much difference right here, but the processing is happening in the background. Apart from that, you got the preview quality, which is standard, is recommended, but you can also utilize high, and what happens is that it will use high quality image preview right here, but uses more CPU for it as it mentions right here. But you can go for standard, which is actually recommended and does the job most of the times, unless you want to view the details bit by bit. So apart from that, you got the preview generation. So you can always generate the preview or on demand as well. So when I click only on demand, it actually goes ahead and generates out the preview if we were to go around and choose this. This does actually save up some processing speed as well. You can also go ahead and always generate right here just like this. And once you always generate previews, what happens is that it uses high CPU. So you can go ahead and use it or hide it out. So you can also go around and show transparency and transparency grid for the previews, as you can see right here. Let me just go around over here onto my TTTube drive right here and select this, and you can see the transparent background right here just like this. If I were to go around and disable it right here just like this, you can go ahead and show transparency or show the transparency grid as well. You can also go around and learn more about it right here on preview options as well if you want to. So you can see that this is what you have. So you can prefer embedded right here or prefer standard right here as you want right here just like this, and get the preview options as you like. So that is how you can go ahead and change around the preview options as you like inside of Adobe Bridge. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.